What makes housing expensive? The problem isn't lack of space. It's that not enough homes are being built. But why? Given rising prices, developers would love to build more, but governments have made it costly to do so. One study asked whether high prices were due to scarce land or restrictions on building. It found that identical lots sell for vastly different prices depending on what regulations builders face. Local governments impose bureaucratic hurdles like environmental impact reports or deny building permits outright. They claim these policies protect the public and the environment, but more often, they're intended to help current homeowners who benefit from rising prices. Some think the answer is to force builders to erect affordable housing, but that makes building less profitable, meaning fewer homes are built. But instead, by enacting laws that limit local building restrictions, state governments can reduce the power of homeowners and give non-homeowners more say in how their communities will look. The result? More homes can be built, leading to more housing opportunities for all.